Now, after we have seen modules, let's have a quick look at packages. Packages are specific modules. So all packages are modules only. But packages have one more property. A package can actually contain other modules. So just think of it as a directory. It could have subpackages, modules, and for any directory to be considered as a package, it must contain a file named init.py. Okay. The major differences between package and modules are packages are a specific kind of modules. So technically, all packages are module, but not all modules would be packages. So packages are specific instances of module, and any module that will have a underscore path underscore attribute would be considered as a package. So let's say if we have to create a package, how to do it. So say we want to create a package named sample package, and within that we want to have a module test. So for that, we will just create a folder sample package. In that we need to have a file init.py. Now please note I have kept that blank. It doesn't matter. As far as the file is present, we are good. So we'll see this is an empty file. And then we are creating a module test.py. Let's open it and we'll just have one simple method written there, which is hello world. So this way we have created a package, sample package. We have init.py in it, and within that we have a module test.py. Now let's call it. So we'll say from sample package input test and then test.hello world. So you will see hello world output would be there. Similarly, we can create more packages. So for example, I have a package on my machine which is solution of assignments on function. So if I want to import, I'll simply say from solutions import solution of function assignment, and this is a big name, so I can give an alias which is sol, and then I can refer to any function which is defined there. So let's see that on the screen, on the PC. So we have solutions, as you can see here. Within that we have solutions of function assignment. So this is a module which is a file. I'll just open this with notepad. As I already said, you can do that on other Python editor. So I'm just using notepad, and now you will see I have all these solutions defined for my assignment. Now within that we are calling is division by 3, okay, which is the method here. So as you can see, this is the method. I can call this method. This is a function which checks whether the remainder after dividing by 3 is 0 or not. If it is, it's divisible by 3, it will return true, otherwise false. So we are providing value 9, and let's say we run it, the output is true. And if suppose we would have provided say 8, the output would have been false, right? So it's very easy. So if you know you are good with Python basic coding functions and all, you can create your own packages if you want. And there are a couple of important popular packages in Python. I'll quickly like to mention them. So Keras, LightGPM, NumPy, Pandas, PyTorch, SciPy, Theano, and there are a couple of more. So maybe in our next section we'll just take say Pandas. It is really good if you want to have a good handle on data manipulation. And with that, thank you for now. We'll see in the next video and cover Pandas. Thank you.